Hi, welcome back to our channel Calculus. In last class we started our exercise 1.1. 3 questions are over. Then the fourth question now we do. Fourth question, use Euclid's division lemma to show that the square of any positive integer is either of the form 3m or 3m plus 1 for some integer m. Now we know that Euclid's division lemma, that is, for any positive integers a and b, there exists unique integers q and r such that a is equal to bq plus r, 0 less than or equal to r less than b. So Euclid's division lemma is a is equal to bq plus r, 0 less than or equal to r less than b. That is, b is the divisor and r is the remainder. That is, remainder is less than b. Now it is in the question 3m plus 1 is of the form 3m or 3m plus 1. So this is of the form a is equal to bq plus r. bq, that is 3m, here also 3m, that is here b equal to 3. So the possible values of r we know that less than b, that is 0, 1, 2. So when r equal to 0, this equation becomes a is equal to b is 3, so 3q plus 0 which is equal to 3q. And to show that the square of any positive integer, so we must square both sides. So a squaring a square, 3q squaring 3q the whole square, that equal to 9q square, and which is equal to 3 into 3q square. This 9q square can be written as 3 into 3q square, and this 3q square, let it be m, then we can write this is 3m. Suppose m equal to 3q square. Then let us, this is equation 1. So next we do when r equal to 1, a equal to 3q plus 1. Is it? Then squaring both sides we get a square is equal to 3q plus 1 the whole square. So this is of the form a plus b the whole square. What is that? A square plus 2ab plus b square, that we know. So 3q plus 1 the whole square, a instead of a 3q. So that is 3q the whole square plus 2 into 3q into 1 plus 1 square, which is equal to 3q square, that is 9q square, plus 3 into 2 into 1, that is 6q, plus 1 square is 1. And this 9q square plus 6q, these two terms containing 3 as common factors. So 3 into 3 taken outside, then here it is 3q square, here 2q, then plus 1. From these two terms we take 3 outside, that is 3 equal to 3q square plus 2q plus 1. Then let us suppose this 3q square plus 2q is equal to m. Then we write 3m plus 1, since here m equal to 3q square plus 2q. Okay, this is taken as equation number 2. Then next, when r equal to 2, a equal to 3q plus 2. Here also squaring both sides, a square is equal to 3q plus 2 the whole square. This is also of the form a plus b the whole square, that is a square plus 2ab plus b square. Here a square is 3q the whole square plus 2 into 3q into 2 plus 2 square, which is equal to 9q square plus 2 into 2, 4 into 3, 12q plus 4. And this can be written as 9q square plus 12q. Here this 4 can be written as 3 plus 1. Then we can take 3 outside from these 3 terms, that is 9q square, 12q, 3. So we take 3 outside, then 3 into here 3q square plus here 4q plus here 1, then bracket close, plus 1. Now suppose these 3 terms together, that is this 3q square plus 4q plus 1 taken as m is any integer, that is m is some integer, that is 3m plus 1. Here m equal to 3q square plus 4q plus 1. This is equation number 3. So listen, from 1, 2, 3 we can conclude what? That is a square is equal to here 3m, m is some integer. Here a square is equal to 3m plus 1, m is some integer. Here a square is equal to 3m plus 1, that is here also m is some integer, and then this is of the form 3m or 3m plus 1. So we can write the square of any positive integer is of the form 3m or 3m plus 1 for some integer m. Clear? So the last question of exercise 1.1, fifth question. Use Euclid's division lemma to show that the cube of any positive integer is of the form 9m, 9m plus 1 or 9m plus 8. That is the cube of any positive integer. So we know that if a and b are any two positive integers, then there exists unique integers q and r such that a is equal to bq plus r, 0 less than or equal to r less than b. That is a is equal to bq plus r, 0 less than or equal to r less than b. This is Euclid's division lemma. So this is of the form 9m plus 1, that is bq plus r, 9m plus 8, bq plus r, 9m, here 9m means 9m plus 0, that also bq plus r. So these all are of the form bq plus r. And if we can take any positive integer, then take b equal to 3, then the possible values of r, that is r is less than b, so 0, 1, 2 are the possible values of r. Then we can take when r equal to 0, this equation becomes a is equal to b is 3, so 3q plus 0 which is equal to 3q. And to show that the cube of any positive integer, so taking cube on both sides, a cube equal to 3q the whole cube, which is 3q the whole cube means 3 times multiplying, 3 into 3 into 3, that is 3 into 3 9, 9 into 3 27. So 3 cube is 27, then cube. It can be written as 9 into 3 cube, that is same as 27 cube, that is which is 9 into m, where m equal to 3 cube. This is taken as equation number 1. So next, when r equal to 1, our equation a becomes 3q plus 1. Then taking cube on both sides, a cube equal to 3q plus 1 the whole cube. Then we know that a plus b the whole cube. This is of the form a plus b the whole cube. What is a plus b the whole cube? A cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube, that we know. So this is of the form a plus b the whole cube. So a cube, here a is 3q, so 3q the whole cube plus 3a square b, 3 into a square, that is 3q square into 1, then plus 3ab square, 3 into 3q into 1 square plus b cube, 1 cube. This is of the form a plus b the whole cube. We know that a plus b the whole cube equal to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. So this we expand a cube, instead of a cube here 3q the whole cube plus 3 into a, that is 3q the whole square, into b is here 1. So 1 plus 3 into a b square, 3 into 3q into 1 square plus b cube, that is 1 cube. So this is 3q the whole cube is 27q cube plus here 3q square is 3 square 9 into 3, that is 27q square plus here 3 into 3 9q plus 1. So listen, this term and this term, which one is common? 9 taken outside. Here 3q cube plus 3q square plus q, bracket close, then plus 1. That is here 3q cube plus 3q square plus q. This we taken as m, then which can be written as 9m plus 1. Here m equal to 3q cube plus 3q square plus q. 9m plus 1. Then next, when r equal to 2, then r equal to 2, a equal to 3q plus 2. 3q plus 2. That is, then cubing on both sides, a cube equal to 3q plus 2 the whole cube. This is also a plus b the whole cube form. A plus b the whole cube is equal to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. That is, a cube equal to 3q the whole cube plus 3 into 3q the whole square into 2 plus 3 into 3q into 2 square plus 2 cube. This expansion of a plus b the whole cube, that form. So it is equal to 3q the whole cube, that is 3 cube 27. 27q cube plus here 3q the whole square is 9q square. So 9 into 3, 27 into 2, 54. Q square plus 3 into 3, 9 into 4, 2 square. 9 4s are 36. Q plus 2 cube is 8. So here this term and this term. 9 taken outside, 9 into here 3q cube plus 9 6 are 54. So 6q square plus 4q, then bracket close, plus 8. Here in this term we can write as m. So 9m plus 8, where m equal to 3q cube plus 6q square plus 4q. So now this is equal to a cube equal to 9m plus 8. Then listen, here a cube equal to 9m. This taken as equation number 1. Here a cube equal to 9m plus 1. This is equation number 2. And here a cube equal to 9m plus 8. This is equation number 3. So from 1, 2 and 3 we can conclude that the cube of any positive integer is of the form 9m, 9m plus 1 or 9m plus 8. Clear? From 1, 2 and 3, the cube of any positive integer is of the form 9m, 9m plus 1 or 9m plus 8. Then next is fundamental theorem of arithmetic, that we will learn in the next session. Then if you like this video, please like, subscribe and share. Okay, thank you.